This MedSIS training is focused on a walkthrough for reviewing EPAs. Before you begin, it's important to start from the learner dashboard after selecting the specific resident you wish to review. When evaluating an EPA, concentrate on two key areas. First, the narrative feedback, which includes written comments and resident reflections. And second, the level of performance, checking the assigned rating for each EPA. Also check the review period, ensuring you filter to the correct blocks for accurate progress data. You can access field notes from the EPA dashboard, the Summary Report tab, or the Assessments tab. To begin, navigate to the Learner dashboard. This comprehensive view provides a clear overview of each EPA, displaying the number of associated field notes and a summary of the learner's performance level. It's crucial to filter the data to the appropriate progress review period. To do this, select All Data and then choose the Review Period option. This action will limit the dashboard's display to only the relevant blocks, ensuring that your progress review is based on the correct and most current data. After selecting the specific blocks for your review, click Apply to update the dashboard. To access the detailed field notes for an EPA, simply click on the rating level associated with the EPA you intend to review. This action will open a list of all relevant field notes. Each entry in this list provides important details such as the rotation, the completion date, and the evaluator. You can also view each individual field note by clicking the View icon next to it. Once you've opened an individual field note, you can review its details. Important aspects to focus on are the narrative feedback, which includes written comments and the resident's reflection, and the assigned level of performance. Pay attention to the preceptor feedback, ensuring it provides constructive insights rather than generic statements, and note any resources suggested for further development. Another method for viewing field notes is by utilizing the Summary Reports tab. This tab offers an alternative pathway to access the same detailed information. By navigating to the Summary Reports, you can find a comprehensive list of field notes, complete with details like the rotation, completion date, and evaluator, similar to the direct EPA view. This provides flexibility in how you access and review learner data. The Summary Report tab offers an aggregate view of field note data organized by EPA. To generate this report, first enter the desired start and end dates for your review period. Then ensure that Stage FMR EPA is selected, along with summary and comments to include all relevant information. Once these selections are made, you can generate a comprehensive report that consolidates feedback and performance data. After generating the report, you can review the aggregate EPA report. This report groups field note data under each EPA, providing a consolidated view of the learner's progress. Scroll through each EPA to examine the field note information, ratings, preceptor feedback, and the resident's reflections. This aggregated view helps in identifying patterns and overall performance trends across different EPAs. The Assessments tab presents another valuable way to view completed field notes for a resident. This tab provides a comprehensive list of all assessments, allowing you to quickly see the activity, start and end dates, and the evaluation details. You can filter this list by various criteria such as date, rotation, or other specific parameters to narrow down your search and focus on particular assessments. Continuing with the Assessments tab, you can also click the View button next to any listed assessment to open an individual field note. This provides direct access to the detailed feedback and performance information for that specific entry. Additionally, the All Evaluations filter allows you to refine the list further by date, rotation, or other criteria, ensuring you can efficiently locate and review the exact field notes you need. For any further assistance or support with MedSIS, please visit the FM ServiceNow portal. You can find it at ucalgary.service-now.com/medportal. Thank you for participating in this training.